In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF or add hyperlinks to a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a beginner dipping your toes into the world of PDF editing, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and efficiency. First things first, let's open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your document ready, head towards the top of the interface. You'll notice a menu bar, and from there you click on Edit. This is where you'll find most of the tools necessary for modifying your document. When you're ready to add or edit hyperlinks, find the option labelled Link. It's usually near other editing tools. Click on it and then choose Add or Edit Links. This is where the magic begins, as you can start influencing how your PDF interacts with the digital world. Now you'll see your cursor transform into a crosshair. This is your tool for highlighting the area in your PDF where you want to place a hyperlink. Simply click and drag to create a rectangle over the text or image you want to link. Once that's done, a dialog box titled Create Link will appear. Here you can configure the appearance of your link. You have options to select the link type, choose colors, and set the line thickness, among other settings. Tailor it to match your document's design and ensure it's easily noticeable for users. Next, it's time to define what you want this link to do. From the dialog box, select your desired link action. In this example, we'll go with open a web page, a common choice when directing readers to external resources or further reading. After selecting the link action, click on Next. You'll be prompted to input the URL for the link. This is the web address the link will direct readers to once clicked. Make sure it's correct and fully functional, as this is crucial for maintaining a professional and user-friendly document. Once you've entered your URL, there's one last step before testing. Go ahead and close the edit panel. By doing so, you'll be able to test the link and ensure it functions as expected. Click on the link within your document and verify it opens the correct web page. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added hyperlinks to your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat DC. This skill not only enhances the functionality of your PDF, but also provides a more interactive experience for your readers. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll be a PDF editing pro. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.